So welcome everyone. My name is Delvis Tekovinias Genam, anak Betis Genam, matric number 97362. And this is my group presenting futuristic electric skateboard. So in order to introduce our skateboard, John, mind if you do it for us first?
Okay, David. A very good afternoon to all my teammates. My name is Zhong Qianjie, matric number 99325. So our drawing project is targeted to futuristic electric skateboard. Before presenting our skateboard, I would like to do an introduction and a definition of the skateboard. So here about our skateboard. So before that, we should imagine being able to glide through traffic, avoid being led to class, and reduce our carbon footprint, all while having fun. So that's why we need the electric skateboard to the campus student. So why we choose the electric skateboard? Uh, this because the student in Unimas always have a problem going late to school and rushing to their class, whether it is accidental or intentional. So electric skateboard is definitely can save much more of time. So not only that, the skateboard is also a good way to have some fun with our friend in university, and it is easy to carry. So because our skateboard is very light, uh, it's a very light transportation compared to the bicycle.
Thanks, John, for your introduction. And we're moving on to the objective.
Our objective in designing the skateboard is to make it lightweight and easy to carry. Secondly, our objective is to provide an alternative transport for the university student. Next, our objective is to provide longer use time for skateboard and to design skateboard with durable deck and wheel.
Firstly, can you explain all of the parts we use to design the skateboard, please?
Thank you, Delvis. My name is Wesley with metric number 97871. For the part of the design, the first component that our skateboard have is the deck. It is made with popsicle style. The next component is the trucks and wheel. The type of the design of the truck and wheel that we have chosen is the reverse kingpin truck and cruiser wheel. Other than that, the next component is the motor. The motor is made with is the design of the motor that we chosen is the bell type motor. The next part is the battery pack. It is lithium ion battery type. The is the remote control for the skateboard. The remote control is made from polycarbonated and it is support USB-C type of charging. Last but not least is the battery holder. The battery holder that we chosen is this kind of design. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Leslie. And I will explain the reason behind all these parts of skateboard design. Well, first and foremost, we chose popsicle style skateboard deck because it's versatile. It can be used for transportation, it can be used for recreation, and so much more. It is also user-friendly because of shorter and lighter design makes the skateboard easier to maneuver. Next thing is we chose reverse kingpin truck because this kind of truck is stable at higher speed and has good linear carving. As for the wheels, we choose cruiser type for its large and soft texture while being able to cruise around campus on tough roads. Moving on to motor, we chose belt type because it is durable. This motor only requires small maintenance cost. Besides that, it has low noise emission, which enables transmission of high rotational speeds. Then, it also has higher degree of customization, which makes it easy to install the motor on or the belt drive without having to mess up with the skateboard itself. It is worth to mention that belt type motor has better heat dissipation, which can ensure the motor to run for a very long time. For the battery design, we choose lithium-ion type. First reason is because of higher energy density, which means it contains high power capacity without being too bulky or too big in size. And it is also low maintenance, and it only requires equal charge for the battery cell to operate in the skateboard. And as for remote control, we choose USB-C type for a faster charging speed. And this remote control is made from polycarbonate, which is one kind or a kind of plastic that is dust-proof and waterproof, which is essential, especially for someone who tends to drop the remote control. And it also have higher battery capacity, like the battery pack itself, to enable longer usage of remote controller. And for the last part, it's battery holder, which is also made out of polycarbonate type plastic to make it waterproof and dustproof. So I have mentioned all my parts, and Chris, can you continue my part? Thank you.
Thank you, Delvis. So, my name is Chris Madiago, and my metric number is 97318. Based on our presentation, we can conclude that we have achieved all our objectives for this project, which is to achieve a moderate height and low weight so that user can easily transport it wherever they go. We have designed the board by using a light material, which is maple wood, and making it slightly lower height to maintain the stability of the skateboard when in use. Next, we have set the speed limit of the electric motor at above 50 km per hour for safety purpose inside the campus. Other than that, we use a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with high voltage to ensure a battery life up to 3 years. In addition, our board deck is made longer, thicker, and wider so that it is more durable, while we use the most suitable wheels, which are reverse kingpin truck and cruiser wheel. This design is positively impacting students in terms of user-friendly design and safety features included. Overall, this skateboard can be used by students as transportation inside the campus. So, this is our conclusion for our project and the end of our slide. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris. And this is the end of our discussion. So I hope that by designing this kind of skateboard, it will help the students to get into the class safe and faster while not missing the chance of having some fun. So from me, Delvis and the group, so goodbye.